Hello 3-4, it's Mr. Gunning again. I'm going to give you a little tutorial on how to play Treasure Hunt. So basically open up the game, and once you get into the game, you'll find that it says, can you find hidden treasure? The treasure has been hidden somewhere on the beach, where the grid lines intersect or cross. Input coordinates to help find the treasure with the fewest guesses. So what you do is you scroll to the game, and you take a guess. So what I like to do is I like to start off roughly in the middle of the screen. It's a strategy that I find works best, but you can try different strategies. So what I do is I put in 6-6. Remember, you go in the door and up the stairs. Remember that rule, in the door, up the stairs. So I go to test coordinates, and it says that I am 6 steps away. Now, that could be 6 steps this way, so south, north, east, or west. I'm going to go to the west today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to double check. I can click and just put a little point. This is just for me to kind of see. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now I measure that coordinate in the door. So that's 1 and up the stairs. So 1, 5. I go over here and I backspace 1 using my mouse, backspace 5, test the coordinates. Now I'm 10 steps away. Now I'm feeling I went the wrong way. So I have a feeling that maybe it's somewhere within 10 steps. I'm guessing over here. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm going to put a point. Now if I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to say my spot, the buried treasure, is 10, 4. So in the door, 10, and up the stairs, 4. So I will go over here and add 10, change that to 4, test my coordinates. I'm 12 steps away. All right, so now I'm even further away from that treasure than I thought. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to put a little test point. Now remember, I have to be 10 over from here. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's only 8. So now I've got to do a little bit of thinking. I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to move my point over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, now I got to remember I have to be 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's 10 over. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That could be my buried treasure. So let's go ahead and check that out. So the treasure is at 6, 10. So here I go. 6 and 10. I plug in the coordinates and I test them. I'm 2 steps away. The treasure is right around here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, it's so close. So I'm just going to test the treasure at here. One, wait. So that would be 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Ooh. So that would be 4, 10. My coordinates in the door 4, upstairs 10. Here we go. Oh, still 2 steps away. Where is this buried treasure? I'm going to go 1, 2. I am trying to treasure right here at 5, 9. 5, 9. Now, my personal best. Oh my goodness, folks. Now I am at 5. Sorry, I'm at how many guesses? A lot of guesses. So, 2 away from 2 away. 1, 2. 1, 2. Can't be there because I'm 2 away. 2 away from here. I'm just guessing right now, just to show you. So I'm going to go 6, 8. So we go to 6, and we go to 8, and let's test our coordinates. Now I'm 4 steps away. So now in my mind, I'm going, whoa, where is this buried treasure? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's fire it up here at 511. 5, we go 11, we test it. Folks, I have found the treasure in 8 guesses. My personal best, drum roll please, is 4. So, give it a shot. See if you can beat my record. My record's 4. As you can see, I just did it in 8 guesses. I hope you can do it in less than 8. Have fun and remember, math is fun.